Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learned how to accept friend requests on Bereal. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Chrome browser and tap on search bar and search Bereal login account and tap on login Bereal and tap on search and tap on people icon, and you can see this is my friend request and I am easy to tap on view and accept my friend request. You can do it very easily. So I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new videos updates. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye.